Hello friends, myself I am Advocate Uday Shirgopikar from Kolhapur. I am practicing as a lawyer for last about 33 years. I have also served as a lecturer in law college for about 20 years. When I was lecturer in law college, as a part of our law college activity, we used to arrange legal aid camps in rural area. We used to visit several villages, and in camp we used to impart knowledge to the rural people regarding some important provisions of law, and we were trying to sensitize the people. And nowadays I have come across several videos on YouTube wherein the knowledge is imparted to the professionals, several professionals such as lawyers, doctors, etc. But no video is prepared for the knowledge of common man. Therefore, I think it useful to prepare some videos for knowledge of common man. I first of all explain that the knowledge of law is most essential to the common man. The law presumes that every citizen knows the law. Ignorance of law is no excuse. However, large population is in fact ignorant about many provisions of law. Therefore, just like a first aid in medical side, before approaching the doctor, some basic information, some basic treatments must be known to the every common man. On the same line, in the field of law, before approaching lawyer, it is necessary that every common man should know some basic concepts of law, basic provisions of law. Therefore, I need to sensitize the common man, and therefore I am preparing these videos. One thing I would like to tell you, that a common man is normally afraid of law and lawyer. Always, common man prefers to remain at a distance from a lawyer. But when he comes in trouble, same lawyers appears to him as an angel, and then he realizes that this and these things were not known to him, and then he is trapped. I give you several examples. We purchase any product from the market, such as TV, fridge, electrical equipments, and many complicated equipments also. At that time, the seller gives us a warranty card. At that time, the common man doesn't know what are the terms and conditions in that warranty card. But when the defect occurs in that product and we carry that product to the repair shop or service center, then we are told that this and this condition is not fulfilled, and therefore they are not liable to give us that service. That is not covered in the warranty card. Normally they tell us that this is not due to manufacturing fault and that is not covered under warranty card, or that the defect has occurred due to voltage fluctuation in electricity, and as per our terms and conditions, that fact is not covered, that problem is not covered in that say warranty card, and therefore if you want to get it repaired, you will have to pay extra charges. we were not aware, the common man is not aware about all such terms and conditions. Same situation happens many times. If we purchase an insurance policy, at that time, when we sign the proposal form and get cover note from insurance company, the agent never explains us what are the terms and conditions under which the insurance company is extending coverage to us. But when the really accident occurs and we or the common man lodges his claim, then he is told by insurance company that this is condition and which is broken. There is a breach of condition on your part and therefore we are not liable. So what are the terms and conditions which we are agreeing at the time of obtaining insurance policy? That is not known to the common man and that becomes known to us only after problem arises. Before arising a problem, the common man never takes a pain to know as to what we are agreed. Nowadays, many of us are subscribing to many websites on internet. When we are subscribing to the internet, subscribing on internet on any website, we have to fill up a form, and lastly we have to click I agree button. While clicking that I agree button, we don't know what are the terms and conditions which we are agreeing. Similarly, many of us obtain loan facility from any bank or financial institutions. At the time of obtaining loan, we sign a blank proposal form, blank loan agreement, and it is never explained to the common man that what are the conditions, what are the terms and conditions of a loan under which he is borrowing the money. There are many onerous conditions which are burdensome to the common man. Those conditions are inserted later on. But when we have signed it, law presumes that you are educated man, you have signed it, and no sensible man or prudent man will sign blank document. So the terms and conditions are binding. As soon as the bank employees visit our shop or our house for reminding us about the installment, then they debit some visit charges. When they send us notice, they debit notice charges. Several charges are such that we are not aware that as per terms and conditions we are liable to pay all these charges. So when we go to satisfy that loan, the figure is very high and we are very troubled while listening, while hearing all these things. So my appeal to common man is that we must become sensitized about basic important provisions of law while dealing with the many people. One more thing, when we purchase immovable property such as flat from a builder, that agreement is bulky agreement. The purchaser puts signature only and get it registered. He doesn't know what are the terms and conditions on which he is buying the flat. Many conditions are convenient or favorable to the builder or developer. The common man purchaser is ignorant about many provisions, and when we approach a lawyer, then there are many limitations on lawyer to help or rescue the common man, because he is already trapped in the clutches of other party. Therefore, My appeal to the common man is that the common man must become sensitized about many provisions which are important in his day-to-day life, because for every problem, small problem, the common man does not, and it is not expected that he should approach a lawyer. Only when big problem arises, then only he approaches the lawyer. For small problem, he must be aware about the basic provisions of law. Therefore, I am trying to prepare videos in this channel, Legal Safety. My channel is Legal Safety, and I request you to give like to this channel, subscribe to this channel, and share it with your friends if you think proper to do so. Thank you. Then